Refreshing, elegant, and crisp, this video is all about Prosecco Sorbet. This refreshing recipe comes together in just 5 minutes, provided you've prepared my sorbet syrup ahead of time. With churning included, you'll have a sophisticated spring or summer dessert ready in under 35 minutes, perfect for entertaining. The flavor of the sorbet is heavily shaped by the Prosecco you choose, so whether it's dry and floral or fruity and aromatic, each batch brings a unique twist. Watch the full video for tips on getting the perfect texture. Let's start. Here are some helpful tips. Prosecco and water can cause excess ice, but the sorbet syrup helps prevent that for a smoother texture. After churning, let the sorbet harden in your freezer for just 30 minutes to 1 hour, then enjoy it the same day. It's best fresh. Sorbets are typically served slightly warmer than gelato. Got leftovers? Use them in my sgroppino recipe or blend with fresh fruit for a new drink. Either way, it's irresistible. Buon appetito! Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for new videos, tips, and tutorials. Have a flavor you'd like to see next? Leave a comment below or email me, tips@morganmurano.com. For recipes and answers to all your gelato questions, visit our blog and FAQ section at fortheloveofgelato.com. Our goal is to show you just how simple and fun it can be to make gelato, no matter where you're starting from. With its rich flavor, smooth texture, and low butter fat, Italian gelato and sorbet is not only easy to make, it's also incredibly delicious. I hope you love the video, and thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!